Hi everybody, Julie here with Northern Waters Cleansing Co. Welcome back to my channel. Today is just a very quick video to say thank you to all of my subscribers. I've just hit 500 subscribers on YouTube, which is a pretty big milestone for me. 2018 was my first full year in business, and I took the time to do a new YouTube video almost every week. Fridays was when I was releasing a new video each time. The format and schedule of my videos for 2019 is going to be a little bit different than 2018, mostly because I have some big projects on the go, and I have some really interesting content to create this year that I think you're gonna like, and I really haven't seen what I'm intending to do on any other soap channel. And you know, hopefully it's not because what I'm intending to do is impossible. I don't think anything's impossible, but I suspect it's just because it requires some more advanced technique. It requires, you know, a really thorough knowledge of your craft, of the soap making craft, and knowledge of your own recipes and designs and all the nuances that can affect a soap, fragrances and temperature and humidity, and you know, all those things can affect soaps. And so you need to have the soap making part down pat, and then once you have that and you know, you're a skilled soap maker, then I suspect you'll be able to try some of these techniques that I'm going to share with you this year. So that being said, I'm still going to be doing my regular soap videos as well. If you can see behind me, I've got 3 loaves there that need to be cut. And one of them, this one on the end here, is like, it looks, I can tell it looks really bad right now, but I assure you, it's not actually orange. And that green doesn't actually look like the gray, weird green that you can kind of see over my shoulder. Actually, those are like, that's like the Incredible morphing color soap, meaning that the yellow that I use and the green that I use in that soap morphs like something horrible while you're making the soap and once it's just been poured. But if you give it like 48 plus hours, the colors morph back to the way they should look, and the soap will actually look pretty then. So you can expect those videos coming up. What do I got? I got Love Spell. I've got the black one is Beneath the Stars, and then the ugly one right now is the Coconut Lime Verbena. So those videos will be coming up soon enough. I'm sort of in a mad dash, sort of scrambling mode right now to restock after Christmas. It was a really successful Christmas season. I can't thank all my customers enough. You know, I did that on my Christmas video for the contest, but it definitely bears repeating. I just have a wonderful base of customers. They're very interactive, they're very positive, and I couldn't ask for better clientele. So thanks so much to everyone that bought soap for me in 2018 and everyone that's going to in 2019. The main point of me doing this short video today was just a huge thank you to all of the subscribers on YouTube. I've just hit 500 subscribers. Super stoked about that. It's a big milestone for me. So if you're watching and you haven't subscribed, please do so now. And that way you'll get notified whenever I upload a new video. Since I'm not sticking to like, or at least I'm not planning to stick to a regular schedule this year, you're probably gonna want to get notified, or at least have me on your subscribe list so that you can see when I have uploaded a new video. Oh yes, some of you have been asking about who won the Christmas contest, and so that was like a sort of a cross-post contest between YouTube and Instagram. The winners were contacted directly on Instagram, so it was at Mrs. Lubby5, it was at Miss Newton, or D Newton? Sorry, Miss Newton. I think I just messed, anyways, I messed up your Instagram handle, but you know who you are. The third one was at Jenny Girl And so the 3 winners there were contacted directly, and soaps have been shipped out, and I'm fairly certain everybody's happy with them. If you girls have feedback, please feel free to send it to me. Anyways, this short video has become not so short because I'm rambling. If you don't subscribe to me on YouTube, please do that now so you get notified whenever I upload a new video. On other social media, it's probably a good idea to follow me on Instagram. If you're interested to see what soaps are coming up, that's usually where I am uploading pictures first of any sort of soaps I have in progress, that sort of thing. So, thanks so much for watching. I'm gonna see you soon with a new soap video, and I'll see you multiple times over 2019. Thanks again, guys, and bye.